It whispered my name at 3:17 a.m. Demon encounter, scary story. I never believed in demons. I thought they were just stories people told to explain things they didn't understand. That changed the night I heard my name. It was around 3:17 a.m. when I woke up to the sound of someone whispering right beside my bed. The voice sounded exactly like my mother's, but my mother had been dead for 6 years. I couldn't move. My body felt heavy, like something was sitting on my chest. The room smelled different. Old, rotten, almost like burned meat. I tried to scream, but my mouth wouldn't open. In the corner of my room, the darkness was thicker, deeper. It began to move, slowly pulling itself into a shape that looked almost human. Almost. Its eyes opened first, two dull red lights staring straight at me. When it smiled, its mouth opened far wider than it should have, stretching impossibly across its face. It whispered again, this time in my own voice. You invited me. The pressure on my chest suddenly vanished. I gasped for air and sat up, but the room was empty, except for one thing. Carved deep into the wooden floor, right where the shadow had been standing, was a single word, welcome.